Hey Mad family, welcome to the Commbank loan review. What we love about Commbank is they're a very good all-round bank with decent interest rates. In this video, we'll be covering Commbank's policy information, who they're best for and who they aren't for, special offers, unique product features, and I'll be testing their customer service live. We are not paid to do these reviews. These are our honest opinions and stories. Like with all our loan review videos, they are kept up to date, so we'll remove them and re-upload them if the information ever changes. So let's get into it. Commbank turnaround time for loan submission to approval is generally 2 to 3 days. A quick turnaround time isn't as essential now compared to last year when the property market was super hot and sellers preferred a shorter finance clause. However, having a lender that can get approval sorted quickly is really important to securing that property, as your finance clause is one of many important factors. It can be a real emotional letdown when you find the property you want to only be timed out of getting it. So what about their policy? Well, here's what we like. Commbank has a real broad policy. As a larger firm, they can take on more risky lendees, such as if you're self-employed, casual worker, or if you just started a new job. Usually banks prefer to see that you've held your job for at least 3 months. But if you haven't changed industries, aka you've gone from one sales job to another sales job, as soon as you got your first payslip, you can apply for a mortgage. And for people who are self-employed, Commbank will take 1 year of income instead of averaging 2 years like most other banks. Commbank also counts maternity leave, commissions, any consistent allowances from your job as part of your income statement. So people with these alternative types of income can factor in to determine their borrowing capacity. Another thing we really like about Commbank is they make guarantor loans quite easy. In fact, as of right now, I'd say they're usually the best place to get a guarantor loan. They make it easy for guarantors as Commbank asks for minimal documentation and don't classify this particular type of deal as a complex deal, which generally pushes out the turnaround time to approve an application with other lenders. Commbank also offers no LMI for medico professionals, up to 95% loan to value ratio. This could save you up to $65,000 worth of lender's mortgage insurance. So what kind of deposit does Commbank home loans require? So Commbank will give out loans up to 95% loan to value ratio, including lender's mortgage insurance. Though we warn, Commbank will be stinging you with a pretty high interest rate above the 90% loan to value ratio, plus a much higher LMI premium. So what are Commbank's shortcomings? There isn't much, but there is one thing worth mentioning. Because of their open door policy, Commbank's rates aren't as good as some conservative smaller lenders. So if you have a great credit rating and you're considered a safe lendee with the right amount of deposit and income, then you may want to look at a competitive rate elsewhere. So Commbank home loans are in two main product types. They have a basic and a wealth package. The wealth package comes in an annual fee of $395 a year. If we have a look at their site, we can see that they offer a 0.7% per annum discount on their variable home loan rate. On a $500,000 loan, that $395 fee saves you approx $3,500 in annual interest. Being real for a second, a 0.7% discount isn't much. Usually only people on a 90% or higher loan to value ratio will get that discount. More people with say under 80% LVR with $1 million in lending will usually get between a 2 to 3% discount. When I first started with MAD in 2017, the max concession I could secure for a client was around the 0.7%, even after I negotiated with CBA. And now they're offering between 2 to 3%. That's why it's so important to reprice your loans or refinance. Otherwise, you'll be stuck on that old discount, which can cost you thousands of dollars. Some other unique benefits of Commbank is that they have unlimited offset accounts. No one else does unlimited offset accounts. Essentially, this means you can open as many offset accounts as you like at no extra cost under the wealth package. Most other banks only give you one offset account and potentially charge extra fees related to that offset. So if you use the bucket saving account system, this will really help you keep your saving style while also limiting interest you're paying. Generally speaking, it makes sense to look at getting the wealth package if you like having multiple accounts to manage your savings. Otherwise, a basic loan product would make more sense, but it does come with some pros and cons. There is no annual fee with unlimited redraw. However, no offset accounts. Commbank, like all banks, has a unique range of special offers that may be suitable for you. One of the features I really like with Commbank home loans is their compassionate care scheme. Home loan compassionate care is complimentary protection for your owner-occupied home loan that helps support you for paying your home loan repayments if you, your spouse, or dependent pass away or is medically certified with a terminal illness. This covers your regular payments for 12 months, interest and principal payments. If you're an existing mortgage holder with another lender, Commbank offers $2,000 in cash in your account if you refinance with them. If you purchase a property through them, they also offer free NBN for 3 years on a 50 megabytes plan, which is the most commonly purchased household plan, which could save you up to $2,700 over a 3-year period. With rising costs, I think this is a great thing to jump on. Commbank also offers a green loan. This is a very competitive fixed rate with no startup or holding fees. And this loan is used to help install eligible clean energy products such as solar panels, battery packs, and solar hot water systems at the property. This fixed rate loan is unique as there's no early repayment fees. So you're not locked into paying the loan over years. You can pay it down as quick as you want. So what about Commbank's customer service? Commbank have many branches around Australia. They have 7 different call centers all located around Oz. This is pretty good considering the size of Commbank. But what is a call experience like? Let's find out.
Welcome to the Commonwealth Bank, where all our call centres are located in Australia.
So originally I was planning on giving the CBA customer line a call just to see how long it takes to speak to an operative. But after just spending a little bit of time on the phone, selecting different options to try to get to an operative was a little bit difficult. So I've just tried using the chatbot through the app, and that was actually really easy. So we'll throw up some screenshots of the conversations that we've had to help opening up an offset account, or hey, I've just lost my debit card or credit card. And there was quick responses to that. And if you really wanted to, they can push you across to speak with a human. So I highly recommend using the app to ask for any help. And also CBA is well known for their internet banking and their really good software. So if we put this all together, what is Commbank's sweet spots? Who are they best for? We don't say this often, but Commbank is a good bank for everyone because they offer generally competitive rates, convenient service, and they're more than willing to take most people on board. They're a bigger bank, so they can take on more risk, so their credit policy is a lot more lenient. You may get a better rate with a specialized smaller lender, but many people don't fit this category, and hence Commbank makes a good option for many. And that covers the Commbank loan review. If you have any experiences or questions, feel free to share them in the comments below. And until then, have a mad day.